In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up your slow computer. If you've noticed that your PC isn't as snappy as it used to be, don't worry. These steps can help restore its performance. Let's dive right into it. First and foremost, ensuring that your Windows operating system and all your device drivers are updated is critical. Microsoft frequently releases updates designed to improve performance and security. Head over to your settings, find Update and Security, and check for any available updates. A new update might just have that tweak your system needs to run smoothly again. Once everything's updated, let's talk about a classic but effective solution: restarting your PC. This simple act can clear out memory hogging background processes that might be slowing you down. When you do reboot, make sure to only open the apps you truly need. This minimizes the load on your system's resources. Now, if you're looking for a little technological magic, consider using ReadyBoost. This nifty feature uses a USB flash drive to boost memory and can be a lifesaver if your PC is low on RAM. All you need is an empty USB stick. Just plug it in, follow the ReadyBoost setup prompts, and let your computer enjoy that extra performance boost. Another point of focus should be your system's page file size. It's crucial that Windows manages this setting automatically. If you're unsure, you can check this by searching for Advanced System Settings from the control panel and verifying under Performance options that it's set to automatic. Disk space can often become a performance bottleneck, so check for partitions running low. Free up some space by deleting unnecessary files or uninstalling unused programs. You can do this manually or use the built-in disk cleanup tool to ensure your PC has enough room to operate efficiently. While we're on the topic of settings, adjusting Windows appearance for performance can also give you a welcome speed boost. This means trimming down visual effects. Head back to the performance options where you were before and choose Adjust for Best Performance to shed those resource-intensive animations. For those of you using OneDrive, pausing the syncing process can lift a significant weight off your system's shoulders, especially if you're managing a lot of files. Sometimes programs sneak into your startup routine. Stopping unnecessary apps from launching at startup can significantly boost your boot times and general performance. Open the Task Manager and navigate to the Startup tab to disable programs you don't need every time your computer turns on. Remember to scan for viruses and malware occasionally. These malicious entities can really drag down your system. Use Windows Security or any trusted antivirus software to check and clean your system regularly. Lastly, if all else fails, consider restoring your PC from a previous system restore point. This can roll back your system settings and undo any problematic changes made recently, potentially resolving any underlying issues. And there you have it. Following these steps